I don't know what he's giving them because he's broke. All of the cars you are seeing are rented.
Ó mà ṣe o, ìyàwó OLUWADOLARZ tí ẹ mọ̀ tí ó ń ṣe kọ́mẹ́dì ó ti jáde ó ti tú àṣírí ọkọ rẹ̀ o, ó ti tú àṣírí rẹ̀ àṣé fake life ni ọkọ rẹ̀ ń gbé ní orí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì, àṣé fake life ni ọkọ rẹ̀ gbé. Gbogbo nǹkan tí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa máa ń rí lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì tí àwọn èèyàn máa ń póòstì irọ́ gbà ní èyí tó pọ̀ jù nínú rẹ̀ o. Ní ti OLUWADOLARZ yìí òun ni a fi mọ̀ o, àwọn mọ́tò jàǹkànjàǹkàn tí arákùnrin yìí ń wà wọ́n ní òun kọ́ ló ní o, wípé ó rẹ́ǹtì gbogbo rẹ̀ ní. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ ṣàfi ara balẹ̀, a ó máa play fídíò náà fún yín báyìí ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ kí ẹ lè rí bí gbogbo rẹ̀ ṣe lọ, bí ìyàwó rẹ̀ bí ó ṣe tú àṣírí ọkọ rẹ̀ látàrí wípé ọkọ rẹ̀ ó ń yàlè ó ti yá ẹ̀gbádùn rẹ̀.
Let's talk about the girls that he's sleeping with. Some girls will do anything for Rose. I don't know what he's giving them because he's broke. All of the cars you are seeing are rented. The only car he has is a Camaro, and the Camaro he didn't buy it. He rented the car and he had an accident with it. He rented the car from Umbakara, MC Umbakara. He rented in the car and he had an accident with it. And MC Umbakara said he cannot drive an accident car, that he should have to pay for it. This guy he paid for this car for like 2 years. He had nothing in his name. And he will be angry when he sees somebody doing good. When I travel and I see people say he funds my travel, he funds my lifestyle. See somebody that has not left Nigeria once. Fucking rich myself. I make my money. I work hard. I don't ask him for shit. Like I literally can live without you. I don't need anything. I'm saying this you're asking me why I'm saying all of this online. It's because it's an online relationship. He kept posting. The other time he brought the apology on online. Did I post it? He came online to embarrass me with a useless apology. After which he's still carrying girl. There was a girl, Angel, that was dating. I don't even know what he was telling all of these girls. Because he was posting me and he was sleeping with you guys. I don't know what he's promised them. I know there is no money. I don't know what he's promised. I don't know the dream he's selling to them.